Y'all already see the vibes, man. We out here to do a test run on the 2001 Trx400ex, man. Like I told y'all, man, this how, you know, the customer bought me the bike, man, without the seat in the back plastic. So this how, you know, I got to test ride it. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna do the same thing, man. Just like always, man. We check to make sure it got gas. Make sure it got gas, and the gas is on. Okay, no more running out of gas, y'all. Y'all already know the vibes, man. Pipe is nice and cold, as y'all can see. My hand on the pipe. Let's get it started. No, this thing a little loud, boy, for real. This thing a little loud. That feel a little loud. Let's get it started though, man. Y'all know what we came here for. Garbage can, watch this, y'all. Between the garbage can. Between the garbage. You gonna go between the garbage can, y'all. right turn up here, y'all. Watch this. Watch this. Right turn. Better make the right turn. Left turn. We going around the corner today, y'all. We taking pass road trips around the corner. Any bike game, man. Y'all know what time it is. One more. Woo! Taking class trips, y'all. No hand. No hand. One more corner, y'all. One more corner. We playing around on this, man. Baby mama bike, man. One more corner. Woo! Going around the corner on y'all, man. Stop playing, man. Going around one more time, y'all. Go down. One more. Woo! Look good, don't it, y'all? No hand. Trying to go around the pole. Around the corner one more time, y'all. I love this bike. Woo! Baby mama bike, man. Any bike game, man. One more time. One more time, man. Woo! Yeah. One more time. Alright, that's enough, y'all. We did that. We did that, though. They love it. That's the baby mama bike. Make sure it's perfect now, though, y'all. Then went around the corner a few times. Let's make sure it's perfect, y'all. Y'all let me know she run pretty good. Definitely run good, y'all let me know. Walking and talking, y'all. Woo! Baby mama bike, I'm telling y'all. Let's see if we can get on the sidewalk. Yeah, I might not be able to get through there. Yeah, I ain't gonna try it on his bike, y'all. Yeah, I can't forget it's not my bike. stroke too easy. Hit the sidewalk one time, y'all. Hit the sidewalk. Hit that sidewalk. Y'all let me know what y'all think on this bike though, man. What do y'all think on the baby mama bike, y'all? We gonna do it one more time. Woo! FedEx truck right there. We gonna go around the corner, y'all. Y'all, this bike is way too easy to turn, boy, compared to a Banshee. Oh man, that's why I'm having so much fun on it. Go up a little bit. Yeah, y'all, that's why I'm having so much fun on it, bro. These dirt tires make it so easy to turn, bro. Turn corners, catwalking. If it was a Banshee, you know my Banshee way harder than this, y'all. 4-strokes, that's what I'm saying, it's too easy, bro. Especially a 400. Way too easy. But as y'all can see, y'all let me know what y'all think. What y'all think on the bike though. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all feel like she running up the pod, she perfect? Did she got the V-toucher, y'all? Y'all let me know. Y'all seen what I just did on her. Y'all let me know, man. We gonna turn off and make sure she turn back on real quick. You gonna turn off and turn it back on. Y'all let me know what y'all think. How she running to y'all, man. Okay, switch back on. Easy start. She idling perfect, y'all. I don't know, but other than that, y'all already know the vibes, man. Let's see if we can take some corners again, man. Left turn. We going on tour today, y'all. One more. Told y'all, one more. AnyBikeGang. Little nowhere. Let's go to the grass, y'all. Oh man. Oh man, this bike too much fun. Right turn. One more. Woo! Look how easy this bike is to turn. Bike too easy, man. Fast and sexy. Right turn. We taking a tour real quick, going around the corner. Yeah, y'all, those right turns are a little harder than left turns. Full throttle. Woo! Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know what y'all take on this bike, man. talking, that's it. Slow it down, left turn. This bike kind of loud too, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. This bike got some noise to it. We're gonna go through here one time, we're gonna take it back in. Y'all watch this, slow roll. Y'all just gonna hit a motor. That's how you gonna hit a motor. Y'all ain't gonna hit a motor no more. Watch this here. Y'all gonna barely hit a motor. 1 mile per hour, man. Got that thing just sitting there, ain't it, y'all? That boy like he on an enduro. Make a little, oh, what is it? What kind of bike that is, man? What year is that?
2001.
That's a 2000? Yeah, this is an 01 too. Just making sure she perfect. You work on bikes? You fix you
Only my own.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. But hey, man, you know, it look good though, man.
Hey, the sun be sit up.
Oh, your son be riding?
No.
Oh, the son?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Have a good one.
Hey, have a good one, man. Bodybuilder, man. I think I came the wrong. Did I come the wrong way? y'all think about her? I think she run pretty good if you ask me. Yeah, she definitely run pretty good. Trx400. I think she rode pretty good if you ask me, but y'all leave y'all comment, comment, and subscribe and let me know what y'all think on this little this test ride that we did. But other than that, y'all already know, man. We gonna go from there.